Hey guys, Dave Jimenez here, your favorite mortgage guy. Just wanted to go over really what it means to have interest savings and really what it does when you change the rate on your mortgage. So one of the things people think is that when they change the rate, they'll save, hundreds of dollars, and that's not always the case. You're still paying probably relatively close if you're dropping the rate, let's say half a point, a full point. Um, you may only save like $100 or $200, but the real savings is an interest savings. So how much is that interest? And uh, how would I calculate what the difference is that I'll be saving? Well, one of the best things that you can do is you can Google an amortization calculator. Personally, I like using the amortization calculator from Investopedia because it actually shows an annual amount of savings. So if you just put in like a normal loan amount here, and we're just going to do like 400,000 for now. I think it just changed it on me, but 400,000 on a 30-year, and let's say that you're at let's say 3.875 rate. Okay, well, it doesn't have 3.875, so we'll just go 3.75 here on the rate. You'll see here, if you kind of break this down, that you're paying when you first start about $600 towards principal, about $1,250 towards interest. Now, what changes when you bring the rate down? What I'm going to do here is I'm just going to copy this URL, stick it over here, and I'm going to kind of pop in the same numbers. I'm just going to kind of pop in what happens if you, and you're not even lowering the rate a full percentage. Let's just go down to 2.99 as an example here, and let's take a look at that. We'll click the same things here, and at 2021, there we go. All right, so right out of the gate, you're saving about, it looks like a little over $250 a month in interest. Notice you're paying more towards principal and less towards interest. So that's one thing that I do want to point out. Obviously, the cool thing about the Investopedia one is that you can see what you're saving, and it's a little over $1,000 per year in interest alone. Now at year, let's just do 2025 in interest on the 3.75 on the left. And let me see if I've got a calculator on here somewhere. I do believe that I do. All right, there we go. Just needed to get over to it real quick. So basically, at the end of the 5th year, you'll be paying $13,896 and 74 cents in interest, taken from right here. And at 2025, on the one on the right, that is $10,970 and 44 cents. That's $29.26 in interest savings alone. So hey, you got a good deal on your house. You don't want to pay more interest than you have to. Look at the difference in interest paid alone just by lowering your rate. Not even that much, 0.75. People always say, oh yeah, you got to lower it by 1 point or it's not worth it. That's not actually true. Almost about $60,000 in interest paid is the difference between the two. And it's definitely worth it if you want to save money in the long run. Even though the payment isn't really different, 1852.46 minus 1684.26, your payment's really only $168 different. But look at the interest savings right out of the gate. It's, like I said, over $250 because it's $1,250 here in interest that you're paying, and under $997, so like $253 in interest that you're paying, less that you're paying on the new mortgage. So just guys, keep that in mind when you're out there shopping for rates, that really you want to look at what the interest savings is. All right, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.